Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So you know what time it is again. We got another pink bag. Let's see what Nadine West has for us. All right, let's see what's in the bag. So as customary with Nadine West, all of their items come pre-packaged in this bubble wrap. This is a hot pink bubble wrap bag and I love it. It's one of the most favorite features of this bag. If nothing else is secure. Okay. So here's how Nadine West works. They send you all of your items pre-wrapped in pink tissue paper in a plastic bag. They also send you an invoice with what is in your bag. So let's see what's in this bag. There is an out of my shell top, a breezy floral top, Grecian breeze bottoms that are red. The first top has hearts on it. The second top is black. There are some brushed olives, silver earrings, and then a necklace that is called Antler Dance. It's a mix. And then another bracelet that's called the Strands of Web, and that's black. So let's see what everything looks like. And I know some of you have asked me previously what the prices are. The best thing that I can do to tell you is to go to their website and look at their stuff. It's not overly priced to me. But of course I am shopping on a budget. If I were not watching my pennies and shopping on a budget, none of these prices would scare me. I would be like, okay, that's great. So the only reason I don't have an actual subscription is because I'm working on my debt freedom journey. So the tops were $17 each and one top of the bottom was $20. And then the earrings were about $15 and $19 and the bracelet was $10. So those are normal standard prices if you're going to, your regular stores. All right, let's see. What I didn't see, here. So if for some reason something that came in your bag you did not love, you didn't think that was your style, it didn't feel like it fit your personality, you can send any of these items back to Nadine West. They will send you a mailer. It's already paid for. It's on them. All you do is affix it to this pink bag right on top of the address label they sent you, and then you send it right back to them with the items that you do not love. You will not be charged for those items. They will take those off of your account and you'll be only charged for the items that you keep. So I'm excited. I don't know why, but so let's see. Comes in these pink tissue papers. Everything is wrapped. Has the traditional Nadine West sticker on the front. I don't even know what to open first. I'm excited. So in some of my previous boxes, my sizing was off because I had lost some weight. So in the last style bag that I did, I went into my personal profile and I changed my size categories and the sizing was really, really nice. Okay, so this is a Femme by Tresix. This is a medium large, which in their clothing, medium larges work for me. It's really stretchy. Oh my, okay. So this is a sleeveless, and I don't do a lot of sleeveless things because I think my arms are fat, but I do like this pattern, and I do like the back, which is a solid black top. And it does have the collared neck. So we'll see. Kind of a V-neck with a collar. But we'll see how I like it. But I don't traditionally wear clothing with no sleeves. And this top is a floral top. This is in a medium. It also has no sleeves. Let me make sure that's the top. Yeah, that's a top. It's called a breezy floral top, which I like this. I love the big flowers and pattern of the flowers. I do like that. And it's the same all the way around. It's the same pattern, and it's long. It's one of those longer ones, so I could wear leggings with this if I wanted to and feel very comfortable. They have their signature pink bags that hold your jewelry pieces. And so here are the earrings. These are pretty, and they're called brushed ovals, and they're in silver. So that's pretty as well. And in this, oh, okay. I think this is a skirt, maybe. Oh, that is a skirt. Here is the necklace. This is called Antler Dance, and it has antlers on it. It's different. I've not seen this before. Okay. And maybe it's called Antler Dance because it's two of them, together. So this is what it looks like together. And it's the silver and the gold. And that's what it looks like together. So I like that. Different. And then the other bracelet, which came in this bag right here, is called Strands of Webs. And now I really do like the multi-layered look of jewelry. Like, I like that these are all together, because it makes me feel like I have a large, I am into chunky jewelry, so I like larger pieces. So I do like this one a lot. And we'll figure out how to untangle it. But it's black, and this is what it looks like. And this bottom piece has me very intrigued, because this is a skirt. Oh my, okay. It's long, just like I like. And it has this, kind of looks like a broom skirt material to me, or a broom skirt pattern where everything is scrunched up together. So clearly none of the tops that they sent would go with this. I'd have to find a different top, in my opinion, to wear with this. I would not wear this skirt with any of the tops that they sent. First of all, the patterns clash, and then second of all, the styles clash. So I would find something different to wear with this. I would probably put a white tee and a jean jacket with this. I don't have a white tee or a jean jacket, so I won't be able to style that together today, but I will try the dress on just so you can see what it would look like. But it does have a drawstring front, and it has silver accent buttons on the bottom. So let's try these on and see what we think. All right, everybody, let me tell you what I thought about the items from Nadine West. So remember, I am a monthly reviewer for Nadine West, and the only compensation that I get is none. They just asked me for my open and honest opinion. They send me items to review based on a personal profile that I have filled out from their website. I will link their website in the description box below. Click on it, check out their website, fill out a personal profile, let their stylist style you. They've done a very good job with me since I've actually been doing the Nadine West reviews. I went in 2 bags ago and modified my sizing on the profile and my color choices. And they have done an excellent job of following those preferences and updates. So let me tell you what I thought about some of the items. So the top out of my shell that had the hearts, so the black top with the gray hearts, love the way that felt. It was a size medium, which I'm between a medium large. I'm a large, just depending on how it's made. So that was a medium. It was no sleeves, and I am not a no sleeve gal. Because my arms are fat, I like sleeves. But that shirt fit very nicely, and I liked the material. It was very comfortable. The back gave it a little bit of a stretchy material. It was 2 different materials, so it was like different on the front than it was on the back, so it kind of stretched, and I like that. The only issue is it was see-through in the front, so I ended up having to put on a cami underneath because I am not about showing all of my business. So if you are okay with wearing the cami underneath, then I think it was a good fit for me. The breezy floral top, that was the same exact size, but for me, just up at the top, just right here, nowhere else, not even boobs or below, but just right here, it was a little snug. That was also a no sleeve. But I thought it fit nicely. I did like that material. I didn't have any leggings or tights to pair with it here at the house. So I just wore a pair of jeans. Were I to do it again, I probably would pair a pair of leggings or something like that, especially for the spring, because it is black, but with all the floral pattern, I think I could get away with pulling in one of those patterns for a bottom half. The jeans were fine with no problem as well, but I did like that shirt. It was a longer shirt for me, which is my preference. The Grecian Breeze, the red skirt. So let me say, I would wear that skirt exactly like I wore it. The skirt with the white top. The only thing is I would add in a jean jacket. I didn't have one to pair that with today. So I just put in the chunky belt, which I would wear a chunky belt with that. And I would also either do white Keds or I would wear my white Michael Kors sandals that I got at a thrift. No, I got it at a yard sale for $1. Michael Kors white sandals, yard sale, $1. I would wear that with it. So I love the feel and the pattern and the flowiness of that skirt. That was a large, I think, and I probably could have done a medium. So it just depends, but I did like that a lot. The earrings, brushed oval, they were silver, nothing spectacular about the earrings. I would wear them, but it wasn't anything. If I had to shop, if I were looking at that piece in a store, I probably would not have picked that piece. I'm a bling girl, so I like lots of pieces or lots of bling. You know, that's just my personal preference. So that wasn't my favorite piece, as well as the necklace. Probably wasn't my favorite piece. I'm not about wearing animal antlers, but I think it probably has its place with something. I don't know what. I'll have to keep looking to see what I can find to go with that, because I don't know. It wasn't a bad piece. It just, again, wasn't my preference. And then the only other thing is it was a bit long. Like maybe if it was a little shorter and only came mid here, that would have been a little bit better, because it seemed like it was a little long for me. But that can be adjusted. And I had it in the tightest loop it could go in, so I couldn't adjust it anymore. The bracelet, the strands of black, which actually turns out to be about 10 different little small bracelets. When you put them together, they make a chunky piece. Those are my favorite pieces to wear. I do like chunky jewelry, and I do like to layer my jewelry. So I would wear this plus another and another to have a lot of chunk on this arm. That's just my preference. So I do like the chunky jewelry. And lots of pieces in this bag that I give a total thumbs up, would wear again, probably will wear to different activities, events, different things like that. And that's my honest review. So if you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. If you have purchased anything from Nadine West since you've been watching my review videos, please leave me a comment below and let me know how you like the service. I do like it that it's once a month. I do like the fact that if I don't like something, I can put that return label on, stick my pieces back in, and send it back to the company. You're not charged for any of those items that you return. And I do like the fact that they personally will contact you. Hey, your bag is on the way. Be expecting it, and I can go in at any time and change my profile. I can leave some comments and different things like that. So I do like this service. Now, if I were not in a debt freedom journey, I probably would do a subscription bag just like this. Because I am in a debt freedom journey, I am exchanging honest feedback for the items. So that's it. That's our video for this week. If you like it, again, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the red subscribe button. We love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also, hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And until the next Nadine West review, bye now.